This is the wrap-up for the live market open for March 22nd. Getting closer to the end of the first quarter of 2017. We're seeing quite a few things in markets. And US dollar is basically on the back foot. Attempts to recover this morning are very poor. Looks like a dead cat bounce. The euro enjoys the fact that Emmanuel Macron leads in the French polls after his good performance in the televised debate. Another point of support for the euro is that the ECB went hawkish. Okay, they are contemplating raising rates even before the end of QE, something that seemed unreal in the past. And also the Dutch elections last week support the euro. In the UK, Brexit has a date, March 29th. That's when the hard part will begin. The Bank of England, though, is going hawkish. One member voted for a hike, supporting the pound, and inflation figures were strong. We might get a blow tomorrow from retail sales. Of course, the dollar is suffering the dovish hike, and to run quickly on these things, they made no changes to forecast, including rate hikes. They're getting closer to a neutral rate, and one member actually voted against it. So this US dollar sell-off continues. Another thing to talk about in this wrap up, some important data figures. Actually, data figures in the US were okay. Retail sales, most importantly, but they didn't help the US dollar. And elsewhere, we have basically in the United Kingdom a point that is important to stress. Real wages after inflation are in a standstill. Okay, big things to watch out for. Today we have the New Zealand rate decision for those trading the Kiwi. The big event tomorrow is that Fed Chair Janet Yellen will be speaking. We have lots of Fed speakers now talking. Of course, they didn't talk in the 10 days towards the Fed decision, but now everybody's opening their mouths. And yeah, so Yellen speaks. That's the main event. Also watch out for Kashkari. He has good arguments. And on Friday, durable goods orders is the main event, the biggest data point this week. So to talk quickly about the charts, we're seeing basically, well, main theme is dollar strength, but at the moment there is some kind of a correction. Let's see if it's a dead cat bounce or more than that. Euro dollar 107.60 to 108.30 is the current range. Pound dollar 124.15 to 125.40. Dollar yen fell below the triple bottom at 111.60, still battling this level. Further support 110, resistance 112. Dollar CAD currently 133.80, which is line of resistance. Looking up, we have 134.60 and down 132.80. Aussie dollar between the 76.10 and 77 range, a bit falling right now. Well, let's see if this dollar correction continues. At least against commodity currencies, this risk-off sentiment is positive for the dollar against commodity currencies. Of course, it doesn't help the dollar against the safe haven yen. And Kiwi dollar ahead of the rate decision tonight, 70.40 resistance, 69.50 support. Okay, so this concludes the show for today. Thank you everybody for coming.